Okay. Everything is off the floor because I just had the place pressure washed to get all the icky boo-boos and the black mold. And they did a beautiful job. Everything is brand spanking new looking. Oh, her earplug fell out. All that black that was here, it's all gone. He even touched up my windows while he was here. Oop, don't look at me. I look terrible. I'm all frizzed out. Let my hair go curly today, and then I came out here to remove all the cushions because anything I didn't want to get hit with bleach had to come off the patio, or the lanai, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, but you could see standing water everywhere. Everywhere. Puddles, puddles, puddles. So we're just going to get the mold back. But at least in the meantime, I don't have to walk all over it with my bare feet when I'm going in the pool. But yeah, everything's nice and clean. And I asked him to blast. I had a spider web thing going on over here in the corner. Gave him a few extra bucks to blast him into oblivion. So that's where I wanted to hang the lights from, the string lights, but not with the giant spider web that was up there. So that's why the lights started from over here. But yeah, it looks much, much better. Much, much. But you could definitely tell where the standing water issues are the worst. I mean, that's a living pool right there. But it's because some brilliant person decided, let's cover up those things that let the water drain out. Who needs them? Uh-huh. Who needs them? Right. I need them. Not too much dirt in the pool. Minimal. He was pretty neat about it. So I'm happy. Cha-ching, cha-ching, but it's done.